Hello, good morning. Welcome to this morning's ride on a cloudy but fairly warm Sunday morning. Yesterday I was out here on the Arakawa River cycling road having a long run, and today I'm out here again having a short ride. It's just the way it goes. But today we have a kind of mission. I am on the hunt for exotic fruit. Oh yes. This is the Arakawa River, one of the main rivers that goes through Tokyo. There's about 3 rivers that go through, and this is one of them. As I mentioned, there are ducks swimming, and there are people rowing. There's a rowing club here. It's actually this rowing club. It's the Toda. So this area is Toda. And just over there is a rowing course, and that rowing course was built for the '64 Olympics. Down the hill, reaching tremendously high speeds, hoping we don't fall off, the bike doesn't crumble beneath me. Here we go, here we go, here we go! We have now reached Lake Saiko, which is, oh bloody hell. We're here. This is what we came to find. Yes, this fruit. So this is it. This is the Karatachi, or dragon fruit, or the hardy orange, but its technical name is the Trifoliate Orange. And trifoliate because, as you can see, this leaf is trifoliate. There are 3 leaves. Thanks to Google for that information. Of course I didn't know, but yeah, we're gonna pick a few kilos of these, and we're gonna see if we can make some marmalade. They're very hardy. In fact, maybe the hardiest of all citrus. They can grow down to like -10. I think they're originally from China, then into Korea. They're not used in cooking really at all because they are incredibly sour and possibly a little toxic. But I've been past these a few times over the years and wondered if you could, cook with them. Because I'm a bit of a marmalade enthusiast, so I thought any kind of citrus I'd like to have a go. These spikes though are massive. I'm trying to get a lot so I can I can choose like some really nice, clean ones. Well, there you go. That's way more than I need. That's a really good example, I think. They're quite hard, a little bit fuzzy on the top, like a kind of peach. Inside there's a lot of seeds. I found a recipe for marmalade that called for 50, but I think we have a lot more than 50. But it might be good to get some extra juice. But there you go. I've got to get these home now. Hopefully they'll fit in that little saddlebag, at least some of them. Now you may not be surprised to hear that this tree was also used as a kind of hedging to keep out, you know, animals or from various places. Because just look at it. I mean, it's like tangled with massive spikes and barbs. They're even just trying to pick these fruits. I risk impalement. But, and also it's covered in massive spiders with incredibly strong spiders' webs. I don't know if you can see this. It's like, oh, there's one. Yes, sorry madam, disturbing you. Okay, so we've got our fruit, our trifoliate oranges, or I think in Japanese they're called Karatachi. Karatachi, I think is what they're called. These are just wild. You can't buy these because I don't think anyone wants to eat them. There are a lot of citrus in Japan. They will all just drop and just be left. So I think I'm going to be putting them to good use, hopefully. Now I keep looking, now I see some that, what I really want is some nice kind of yellowy ones. You know, like this. They are a little bit dirty. I don't know what this is from. I can't resist. John, come on, stop. Stop picking them. Runners down here. It's a nice big route. As I said, I was here yesterday, struggling at this point. Legs getting tired, bit of plantar fasciitis creeping in. Nasty. Gravel, gravel, gravel. Oh, actually, yeah, when you brush them,